we were observing a real rebound until the end of last quarter. Through March, the activity actually was up 16% in value and 30% in volumes year on year. So we were really seeing some signs of upticking market, especially in the medium and large size deals. Actually, March was a very good month with more than 450 billion of value of deals. Now, the last 7 days have actually created a lot of uncertainty, an amount of uncertainty that will inevitably impact the appetite for M&A, which was actually, according to our latest CEO survey, growing, was actually at an all-time high before actually the last 7 days. So it's too early to say what's going to be the magnitude of the impact of this tariffs situation, but it's likely that in the near term, in the next couple of weeks, there will be a slowdown and possibly a complete stall in M&A activity due to the high level of uncertainty that is obviously impacting with various ramifications, also the capital flows, not just the trade flows.
And what are companies saying in terms of what would it take for them to take this step in terms of M&A deals?
I think it's important to understand that M&A can actually continue and even thrive in high level of uncertainties. I mean, if you look at what happened in the immediate aftermath of the pandemic, we saw actually the M&A activity surging after a first couple of months of stalling activity due to really the highest, super high level of uncertainty. But once the situation cleared and it was quite obvious that there were certain trends that needed really to be followed, the capitals actually were allocated accordingly, and there was a surge in M&A. So now I think what would be required is some sense of directions regarding this tariff situation, whether this is going to last or not, whether this is going to be a negotiation situation where actually in the next 2-3 weeks there would be a different scenario. So as soon as the uncertainty goes down and there is more clarity regarding the new world, then the capitals will flow. And I think those who actually, in particular, those CEOs and companies and private equity, which have the highest level of confidence and ability really to navigate this, will try really to prevail.